Good day all pet patters. We just finished giving our dog a bath and a blower. We blower dry, and then we done combing him at the same time while blowing him dry. Now the key for a fluffier dog is by using this slicker brush. Okay, so if you want your dog to have a fluffier coat, you need to use slicker brush. Disclaimer, if you want to have a fluffier coat, the dog should also be free of matted coat. Okay, so that's why it's very important for our dog to be brushed on a regular basis. Okay, so let's get started. So, use slicker brush. And we use the slicker brush this way. Okay, it's not like that. Okay, it's like that. Okay. And that's our video for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.